Hi, I'm Luca. I was born and raised in Berlin, a city that has been destroyed, divided, and rebuilt again by some of the greatest architects in the world. It's a city full of stories from the past for which I have developed a passion. That's why I chose to study history, and because I enjoy meeting people and always loved to let my guests feel the magic of Berlin, I decided to become a city guide offering private and personalized tours. My favorite way to show Berlin is by bike. It's relaxing, flexible, and you even start feeling like a Berliner. But of course, it's also nice to explore the city on foot or by car. As a guide, I am a pedagogue. I mediate knowledge. Especially with children, it is a great pleasure to awake their interest in the city and its history. Join me on a tour off the beaten track. Take a deeper look and discover the underground. Understand what's behind the curtain and how the city became what it is today. Berlin is the city of subcultures. It's filled with street art, hidden music venues, techno clubs, art galleries, and lots of different alternative projects. Most of them emerge from the ruins of abandoned places. Empty voids remaining from the past, now serving as a canvas for creativity. It's a city filled with contrast, where you can learn about the dark past of Germany, without which Berlin wouldn't be as it is today. Dig into German history, demonstrated by secret places where time travel is made possible. Understand the story behind famous monuments and buildings. Learn about the Prussian era, the Jewish, the French, and many more influences that shaped the city. I want to share insights with you, show you special places you would otherwise not find. I want you to enjoy impressive, interesting, relaxed and fun moments. To do that, I tailor the tour according to your interests. You decide what you would like to focus on, and I design a tour for you, no matter if you travel alone, with your partner, your family, or a group of friends. Of course, I will tell you all about the exciting nightlife, bring you to nice bars, give you tips on the best clubs, and let you taste some excellent local beers. I'm Luca, and I'm looking forward to meeting you on a tour with Berlin à la carte.